Chapter 9, Lesson 4, Multiplying and Dividing Rational Numbers. To simplify a rational number, we have to use the following property. It says if we have A times C over B times C, our answer will be A over B. This is because we divide out the common factor, and in this case, it's C. So we take out the C from them, and we are left with A over B. Now we're going to do a few problems to help better understand this method, this property. We have our first problem is a division problem, and we have x squared minus 4x minus 12 over x squared minus 4. The first step is to factor the numerator and the denominator. So when we factor the numerator, the top part of the fraction, we take out a positive 2 and a negative 6. So we're left with x plus 2 and x minus 6 on top. And when we factor the denominator, which is the bottom part, we take out a positive 2 and a negative 2. So we have x plus 2 times x minus 2. And now we factor out the common, now we divide out the common factor, excuse me. So that's this and this. We just cross it out, and now we just have to simplify this form, simplify whatever we have, and since we can't do that, that's our answer. It's x minus 6 over x minus 2. That's the answer. And now we're going to do a multiplication problem. We have 5x squared y over 2xy cubed times 6x cubed y squared over 10y. So basically what we do is we multiply the numerators and the denominators, and to do that we multiply the coefficients. 6 times 5 is 30, so we write a 30 here. And you have to see if the variables are the same, x and x, and then you just add the degrees, so it'd be x to the 5th power. And since there's a y here and then there's a y here, we add their degrees. So it'd be y to the 3rd power. And then we do the bottom part. So 10 multiplied to 2 would be 20. And x, and then there's no x in this part, so we just leave the x alone and bring it over here. And there's a y over here, and there's another y. The variables are the same, so you add the degree again, so it'd be y to the 4th power. Now you factor and divide out common factors, and this is how we do it. So you just break it down, break the answer down. What we got, 30x to the 5th power y cubed over 20x for y to the 4th power, and we break it down to 3 times 10 times x to the 4th power times y cubed over 2 times 10 times x times y to the 3rd power. And now we just cross out the common factors. So we have a 10 and we have a 10, and then we have an x and an x, and we have a y cubed and a y cubed. Now you just write the answer, and basically whatever is left, simplified form. So the answer would be equals 3x to the 4th power over 2y. And that's it. That's our answer. That's how you divide and multiply rational expressions using the property given in the beginning.